My name is Acha. Yes, I do. To more than 2 hours. More proportional, such as watching favorite movies, watching and doing coursework. The things I like about it are that it makes it easy to study and to research. Dislike are that it is not flexible in terms of size because it takes up a lot of space if you want to carry it around. The Sister City Park located in Jalan Seram Bandung is a concept of social relation between the people and culture of two cities with geographically, administratively, and politically different regions of cities. Enjoying the park facilities and spending time with family. It's nice because it's beautiful and quiet. It is important because it has many benefits for humans, the environment, and animals. Yes, because it has many benefits such as reducing stress and a place that can be used for socialization and recreation. Yes. What is the subject? My favorite subject is Indonesian history, which I have studied from 10th grade to 12th grade. I have learned about cultural diversity, the struggle for independence, the history of empires, and social and political development. My favorite thing is learning a lot from the mistakes of the past. The subject of history of national struggle education. I think education should encompass both, as basic knowledge is essential to build an intellectual foundation, while practical skills are necessary to face the world of work. Very important because educated society has the ability to think critically, make informed decisions, and contribute positively to social and economic development and improve the overall quality of life of individuals and society. High poverty rate, vulnerability to social conflict and poor health.
Thank you. That is there and speak.